The Newman system model is a nursing theory based on the individual's relationship to stress, the reaction to the stress, and the reconstitution factors that are dynamic in nature. So this is a diagram of the Newman system model. In order to achieve the optimum state of stability, the person or the client has to undergo various stressors that could be from the internal environment, external environment, or created environment. The stressors also could be intrapersonal, interpersonal, extrapersonal. That is modified by the normal line of defense, which is primarily modified by flexible lines of defense. That could be the primary intervention, secondary intervention, or the tertiary intervention. Once a normal line of defense have crossed, then the behavior modification goes to the lines of resistance. Here the lines of resistance determines the client's stability. Either the client achieves a better health or deteriorates. These are the concepts. Stability is a state of balance or harmony requiring energy exchanges as a client adequately copes with stressors to retain, attain, or maintain an optimal level of health, thus preserving system integrity. Prevention as an intervention. In primary prevention, there is health promotion and maintenance of wellness. That is a health education. Secondary prevention is a diagnosis and treatment of the appropriate signs and symptoms. Tertiary prevention offers system stability by supporting existing strengths and continuing to preserve energy. Thank you.